kidding. Hold up, you got me woke up. The way you roll that, sticky like okra. Just let me go.
What is going on, guys? Today I'm here with my boy.
Hey, what's up, honey?
How you doing? Alright, so we're gonna play some Mineplex. What server?
It's 27. You see it?
It just started. Get in. Okay. Alright. So we're in, and I've never played this, so this should be fun.
Yeah. So basically, how you play is there's going to be colors on the board. You can see the middle. What they're going to be is there's going to be that, but there's going to be a certain color you have to go to. If you're not that color, you die. But you can click the magma cube. And you can vote on a song. And then go into the chat. There will be a link to hear the music, and you can do that, and you can hear the music.
I don't want to listen to music. I make music. My name is music. My middle name is music. I thought you knew.
Oh, okay.
Didn't you already know that?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Because she's a little bit stubborn sometimes.
Yeah. Wait, do you have headphones on?
Here's the music, by the way.
Turn the music off.
I've already died.
Good job. You're stupid. Wait, where's the board? Lime? Oh god. Okay. I win. You guys. Turn the music off. God.
Why?
Because it's annoying.
Okay.
It is too easy to win. Wait, I won. Holy crap. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Crap. No! Gosh dang it.
Oh, you died.
I thought I won, and I wasn't paying attention. So.
No, you'll get them next time.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so we're gonna play 3 rounds. So, go back to the thing. The hub. Hub.
Click the slime ball.
Okay.
Okay, there, you see the server has, server 23. Server 23.
Okay, so I'm guessing
Are you
on the wrong one.
23.
Okay, I'll go back. 23. Wait, just X how many bottles I say? 23. It's full. Get out. God, you're so annoying.
Don't join. Cause
I see you.
Okay, let's join the one that has 18. You see it? Right here? 30. Oh, wait, dang it.
You idiot. God. Leave now. Okay, go to server 26.
Okay.
Alright, streaming. I am real mean. I like to eat beans. What?
Click the magma. Oh, yeah, click the magma cube and vote for make a cake.
Make a cake. Where is it?
It's it is the green. You'll see it. Just go over it. It'll say make a cake. I'll be playing the music slightly, not much.
Is it the one that's like I'll make a cake?
Yeah, that one. You should have. I got it. You had no how to play it. I got it.
It doesn't show up for me.
Because you have to be on the website to hear it.
Oh, well, I'm not on the website. Where? Light blue? Okay. Oh, crap. And I win. La 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 la. Pink, I am pink. My favorite color is pink. Did you just die? Nope. You're still alive. I want to see how you do. Bro,
Yeah.
turn the music down a little bit lower. Holy crap. Gosh dang it.
$2?
Yes.
Oh.
Wouldn't dive in, wouldn't bow down. Gravity hurts me so sweet. So I woke up on the concrete. I'm just gonna let you guys listen to the music.
Oh, you done. This game is great.
I'm like super focused right now.
Oh, okay.
Oh no.
Come on.
Who won?
I think you. I'm not sure.
I didn't win. It's 56. We're gonna play one more round, then we'll be back.
Okay.
Or we'll be
So,
done. We'll be done. You can do 26 again?
Yeah. Okay, go.
Boom, boom, boom. Let's vote for, I'm looking. What do you want? Don't stop. Do you like that one?
Where is it? Oh my.
It's on the third row, very last one.
Don't stop.
You don't stop. Stop.
That sounds like my channel intro. I can't stop. I can't stop.
Can't stop. What?
I can't stop. Okay. I don't know if I want to do a troll with this voice. It's pretty convincing, is it?
Yes.
Yes.
It sounds sort of like robotic, but yeah.
No, it doesn't. Shut up. Your mom.
You know it does. You just gotta accept it.
No, I don't sound like a robot. Your mom sounds like a robot.
Take that back.
I'll do what I want. I do what I want. I do what I want.
I do what I want to.
Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad that he won't give up that easy. No, he won't have it. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home. That's when it's back to the lab again. Yo, he won't have it. He better go capture this moment. I hope it don't. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, never letting go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Bro, you know I suck at this. Alright, I'm going to win.
This tune is my job.
Gray? Where the heck is Gray?
$2?
No, I did not die.
Good.
Pink? Okay. How the heck? That was pink. That was pink.
Place a block on your block so you know it's that one. You can do that.
You can what?
It's not this one. I died.
Okay, guys. Yeah. So that's turn the music off. Being a girl voice playing Block Party. Okay. So if you want to hear me sound like Black Mine, this is what I sound like. Okay. So yeah, I did use a voice modifier in this video, but it was just for fun's sake. So yeah. Make sure to comment, rate, subscribe on this video. I've been Zedlarmy. Let's try and hit 5 likes. Yeah, I've been Zedlarmy. Peace and blessings.